Achievements have been made. Africa is now completely liberated, but there's still work to do. And I believe that I have what it takes to get us where we want to do. In the field of education, in the field of health, in the field of value addition to the abundant wealth that we have on the continent, in the field of trade, inter-African trade. I have acted as the African Union High Representative on infrastructure. And in this I know that we have very comprehensive programs in PIDA, Program for Infrastructure Development of the continent. What remains is action. And what I want to promise the African people is that I am going to lead from the front to ensure that we achieve the visions of the founding fathers of our continent. I thank you.
Merci infiniment au candidat du Kenya, Excellence Monsieur Raila Amolo Odinga. Et maintenant, mesdames et messieurs,
Raila Amolo Odinga. Now we're going to listen to His Excellency Randra Mandato from Madagascar.
Excellence,